Want to add a custom background to YouTube Shorts? Now you can by choosing a photo from the camera roll on your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new green screen feature on the YouTube Shorts app so you can replace that messy office background with a beautiful sunset. Tap the YouTube app on your phone, tap the plus icon, tap Create a Short. On the right, you can see all the icons you can use to create your Shorts video. At the bottom, you see green, so tap on green. Now you can see that I've got a green background behind me. If I want to change that, I can just use one of the photos from my camera roll, which is down here. You have to give permission to YouTube to access to photos on your camera roll. Now I can choose this photo. Now immediately I have a different background. I can also choose this one. I have a different background. Then I can choose this one, a different sunset, or I can choose this one. After you've chosen the photo that you want to use for your background, just tap Done. Now you can start creating your Shorts video with your new background. You can select 15 seconds or you can change it to 60 seconds. For the purpose of this Shorts video, I'm going to choose 15 seconds. On the right here, you have all the different icons. You can flip the screen so you can shoot yourself or you can shoot a particular scene. You can adjust the speed, you can adjust the timing, you can add filters, and you can add music. I'm going to record a 15-second Shorts video now. So you can just tap the icon, the red icon. Hey, this is Herman Drost. I'm now at the beach recording this Shorts video. Check it out. Tap the icon again to stop it. You can tap the undo one, or you can tap the redo icon. So I tap speed. I can speed it up. If I tap timer, I can do a countdown timer. If I tap filters, then I can choose any of these filters. Tap the check icon to preview your video. Hey, this is Herman Drost. I'm now at the beach recording this Shorts video. Tap music, so you can add music from YouTube's audio library. Tap text to add some text. You can change the color of the text by just tapping on the different colors. Tap the align at the top to align it. You can add some background color. Just tap the A at the top and tap the different colors. And you can also enlarge the text if you want. And tap done. And you can move the text around. Tap timeline. And you can move the text around on the timeline. So I can put it at the beginning, then I can add some more at the end, like so. Tap done. Tap filters. I can choose all these different filters. Tap done. When you're happy with your Shorts video, just tap next. Now you can add a title. You can add a visibility setting, such as public, unlisted, or private. You can also schedule it. You can choose no, it's not made for kids, or yes, it's made for kids. After you're happy with the Shorts video, just tap upload. It says uploading to videos. Let's check my videos. So I tap videos. I'm going to tap manage videos. You can see that my video is now here on my channel content. Now if I tap the three dots, I can save it to watch later, save to playlist, I can delete it, I can edit it, share it, and edit the advanced settings in Studio. So I tap edit, then I can add a description. I can change from unlisted to public. I can change not made for kids, location, add it to a playlist, and add tags. Now if I tap it, I can play the video. Hey, this is Herman Drost. There are several ways for viewers to discover your YouTube Shorts. They can tap on the Shorts icon in the YouTube app. They can scroll through the Shorts shelf when viewing videos on the YouTube app from their phone. You can view the Shorts playlist if you've added a Shorts section to your YouTube channel homepage. They can find you on Google search if somebody types in that particular keyword phrase. Viewers may also find your YouTube Shorts video at the top of YouTube search if they type in that particular keyword phrase. The beauty of YouTube Shorts is that you can reach a different audience who has never seen your content before. YouTube Shorts receives over 6.5 billion daily views globally, so it might be worth experimenting with YouTube Shorts. How can you help viewers discover your YouTube Shorts? Add the hashtag Shorts in the title or description of your Shorts video. What if YouTube Shorts are not showing? Watch the video on the screen right now to discover the 5 places where viewers can find your Shorts videos and the best ways to optimize them so you can get more views and subscribers.